Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we're taking a look at Trump and what he's doing in Venezuela with all this oil and how does it affect the crypto markets. The crypto markets have seeming to be in a pretty decent spot this week. I mean, today we're down about 1.3%, but overall the markets have been very bullish even with these things that have been going around the world. So how is this going to affect crypto? How is it going to affect our economy? Let's go ahead and do a deep dive. But before we do, I gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And remember guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, none of this is financial advice. All right, so we're taking a look at the crypto markets. We're down 1.3% on the day. On the fear ingredients, we're actually 49 neutral, which is good because we're actually going the positive direction. And the RSI's in the positive side for like the 6th day in a row, 57, closer to overbought, not too shabby, right? When we're looking at the crypto market as a whole, even though today hasn't been that great, the week has been pretty good. The month has been pretty good so far. This year has been going pretty well so far. We're holding above a $3.17 trillion market cap. Bitcoin holding above 93,000. Ethereum holding above 31. Even XRP pumping. Everything's pumping, right? Now, even with what's going on across the world, question is, people thought, the markets might dip. Usually when we see conflicts like this, we see selling. However, Trump being the States, how it's going to work, let's go ahead and do a deep dive. Again, before we continue, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available in Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously, guys. It's a free to download wallet. It's a clean, non-custodial wallet, requires no KYC. Definitely check this one out. And again, every download supports the channel tremendously. So if you enjoy watching these videos, go ahead and download the wallet. So let's go ahead and take a look and familiarize ourselves with what's going on. Okay, so Trump said Venezuela stole America's oil, and here's what really happened. Okay, Trump wants Venezuela oil, and it won't be so simple. Trump suggests U.S. taxpayers could reimburse oil firms for Venezuela. So there's a lot of what he wants to do with this oil. Looks like they're blatantly taking it, right? And then even just Trump being in Venezuela right now, Trump says many Cuban soldiers killed, and rage calls brilliant. So we're seeing a bunch of things going on, but how does it directly affect the crypto markets? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. Trump is trying to control everything. If the US controls money, they control the people. Like the US dollar, for example, is one of the top trade currencies in the world. If the US controls the oil, the world trades what they if the US can control the oil and the world trade, they control the world. If US is huge, holds a huge amount of BTC, they control the crypto market. I mean, debate me below. I might reply. US should control Venezuela oil industry. That's what's happening, right? And the fact that they're going to control, or they're going to try to control, unless other countries start stepping in, it's going to make the US a larger powerhouse than it already is. And not only will it make it a larger powerhouse, but the things that are based in the US are going to be better. And the fact that the US has been so strong and so hard on being bullish for crypto, crypto advocacy, I think this could be very, very bullish for the crypto markets. Okay, some breaking news. President Trump, US to control Venezuela oil reserves and sell worldwide. We are in the oil business. Oil is going to get tokenized and powered by XRP. I don't know where he's getting this from, but let's go ahead and play this.
So we'll be selling large amounts of oil, but in terms of other countries that want oil, we're in the oil business. We're going to sell it to them. We're not going to say we're not going to give it to them. In other words, we'll be selling oil probably in much larger doses because they couldn't produce very much because their infrastructure was so bad. So we'll be selling large amounts of oil to other countries, many of whom are using it now, but I would say many more will come.
Absolutely insane. So if they're gonna dominate the crypto market, and they're going heavy on Bitcoin, it's gonna be absolutely insane. We're going to see money trickle back and forth, right? President Trump, Bitcoin is the new oil. Trump says we're going to have a very large United States oil company, the biggest anywhere in the world, spend billions of dollars, fix the badly broken infrastructure of the oil industry, and making money for the country. Absolutely insane. It's going to be absolutely massive for both the crypto industry and for the United States, and looks like also for the country of Venezuela. They start making money for the country. So I don't think they're just trying to do it for America. It looks like they are trying to also do it. Like this money will be reimbursed back to Venezuelans as well. Again, I'm gonna be doing my own research when we'll continue making more updates just like this. Also, guys, if you're looking for another crypto, ICO project is getting a lot of attention. I've been covering very closely could be ending very soon, and that's with Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin. Bitcoin Hyper will power the fastest layer of Bitcoin history. This will unleash the full power of Bitcoin with payment solutions, meme coins, dApps. Again, we're seeing more and more adoption for crypto. We're seeing more and more adoption for Bitcoin. Bringing out to tech is the perfect time. They've raised over $30.2 million in a pre-sale, and 1 day and 20 hours are set to increase the price. If you want to get the lowest price, you can buy directly from the website with card or crypto. Leave the website link in the description box below. Definitely check this one out. And again, guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos you cover on this channel. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, peace.